Title of Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir, a movie unleashing superheroes to save Paris. Subtitle: An exciting adventure of magical proportions. Release date: July 5, 2023. Overview: Purpuretto be captivated by the enchanting story of an ordinary Parisian teenager named Marinette, whose life takes an extraordinary turn when she transforms into the extraordinary Ladybug. Bestowed with incredible powers of creation, Ladybug embarks on a mission to save Paris from the clutches of a formidable new villain that seeks to unleash chaos upon the beloved city. In this highly anticipated movie, Marinette must unite with her counterpart, Cat Noir, to protect their city and restore peace in an epic battle against darkness. Summary: Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir, the movie is set to take audiences on a thrilling and action-packed journey through the streets of Paris. This eagerly awaited film depicts the story of Marinette, a typical teenager with a secret identity as the courageous superhero Ladybug. Equipped with magical powers of creation, Ladybug assumes the responsibility of defending her city from all threats that lurk in the shadows. During her ventures, Ladybug encounters a formidable new adversary who poses a grave threat to the tranquility of Paris. Determined to disrupt the peace and sow chaos, this villain challenges Ladybug and her ally, Cat Noir, to an epic duel that will push their limits and test their strength. It is in this time of crisis that Ladybug and Cat Noir must put their differences aside and join forces to protect their city from impending doom. As the fate of Paris hangs in the balance, Ladybug and Cat Noir must race against time to uncover the villain's true intentions and put a stop to their evil machinations. With the magical powers bestowed upon them, the duo will engage in thrilling and action-packed battles, showcasing their incredible abilities and unwavering determination to save their beloved city. Votes and popularity: the online community eagerly awaits the release of Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir, the movie, evident by the overwhelming support shown through votes and popularity, garnering 673 votes and boasting a popularity rating of 136,654. This upcoming film has generated immense excitement and is anticipated to be a box office phenomenon. Conclusion: statement for the most anticipated animated adventure of the year as Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir, the movie takes audiences on an exhilarating journey, packed with captivating storytelling, stunning visuals, and awe-inspiring action sequences. This film promises to deliver an unforgettable experience. Brace yourself for an epic battle of superheroes as Ladybug and Cat Noir unite to save Paris from a new and powerful villain.